All right, people, today we're gonna have some fun. I'm gonna try to do something I literally have not done in decades, probably over 3 decades. I'm gonna go get a patch kit and I'm gonna attempt to patch a tube for a tire. I haven't done it since I was a kid when I had like my bicycle tires, and I wasn't very good at it back then either, but now I'm gonna try it on this 1940s split ring fancy old technology tire that's on this frame we went and picked up from Vernal a few weeks back, and that was a good time getting that thing. But one of the tires don't hold air, and it's a tube in tire, so we're gonna get a patch kit. We're gonna give that a try. We'll see how that works out. I'll keep you posted. All right, guys, we just got done shopping. Got this bucket of goodies. There's all kinds of good stuff in there. I'm gonna go back to the backyard now. First, I'm gonna grab some lunch in the house, and then go to the backyard and go play. Try to see if we can do this tire thing, you know. Have other things I should be doing, but I just feel like playing with that tire, you know. See if I still got it, or got it now, whatever, you know. Alrighty, we're gonna play with this thing now. Jack stand, chock the wheel in the back, transmission in gear. Lots of good stuff. Classic patch kit. Although this thing doesn't actually, the tire doesn't hold air longer than like 1 minute, so I am gonna probably change that, but I'm gonna start by using my friend PB. This is a 3-piece rim, so it don't look like it. It really doesn't. Let me show you. Like outer ring, lock ring, middle rim part. So there's like 3 pieces to this. It barely looks like it. Barely looks like it, but those things come apart. This is not the WIDOWMAKER, thank goodness. So I am gonna end up just changing the tires and you know, and the tubes and stuff. But for now, to make it easier to roll around and, you know, to see if I know how to do this, I'm gonna try to fix the tube that's in there so it'll hold some air, because you can see it's flat. Feet here. Okay. A little more weight. Oh. Broke the breaker bar. Not good. Alright, well, I guess it's not bad considering I've had this thing for 20 years, but okay, well, I'll be back. Okay, did the thing, went and got another breaker bar since I busted the one I've had for like 20 years. And that thing's been through a lot. It's helped me out quite a bit with lots of stuff. So also gave them lug nuts a little bit of time to kind of soak in that that PB. So we'll see if that helps. But man, those things are on there. I think I can't even begin to try to tell you how long they've been there. They've been on there a long time. They're pretty solid. So I think that we're gonna try again and we'll see what shakes out. Got a new one. This thing's big, beefy. Okay, there we go. Now, the suggestions say start breaking it loose. Like going around town. That's cool. Fancy tool for that. All right, look at that. Yeah, that's what it's supposed to be like. The lock, that's the lock ring. Split. So this will come out and then this will come off. That ring right there, the ring inside the groove, an actual split ring. It's gonna be happy about it too. Just go like this. Look at that thing. Here's this hook. This is working itself out now. So basically popping right out of there. So it doesn't smack me in the face, you know, I'll grab it. It's not under that much tension really. Like right now, tension is weak, but it seems to be in pretty decent looking shape. I mean, scaly rust, but it's not malformed or anything. Hooray for my team. And now, this guy. Okay, my phone got a little overheated. It's like 90 out here or something like that, 90 something. My phone was like, oh bro, it's too hot, I can't do it. But I'm gonna show you what exactly happened in the 2 minutes that the phone was sleeping. This has a big hole in this tube. Got all that stuff out, pulled the ring out, got this thing out, and would you look at that? Would you just look at that? What is that? What is that? To do the thing that we used to do with the bike tubes and take it in the house in the bathtub and air it up and see where the air's coming from. It's pretty obvious where that's coming from, so now I'm gonna play around with that, try to patch it. We'll see if it'll hold air, you know? You never know. We'll try it, see what shakes out. All the scuff, I can land it right in there. Look at that. We're in the scuff zone. Okay, kids, wear your safety equipment when you do this stuff. Much better. See the one thing? It's in the groove now, and the one's not. So we'll just chase it around till it's all the way in. Take a peek. Look at that. That's a cute little gap, and this thing looks home. It's very happy. All right. All right, now chain it up. Put some air in it. Want to see? Show you. Look at those things. They're not supposed to be flat like that. They're supposed to be not flat. But you can see that they get really flat right there. I think that's probably why they were so hard to get off of there earlier. This, I don't know if you can see this, but it's got a really fine, like a knife edge on it. And then the backside's big, it looks like a knife. Get in the threads. I'm gonna share it a little closer with you. Let's zoom in on that and see what we're doing here. All right. Ooh, he likes it. Likes it better. So we get to this thread right here. Okay, we'll try again. Gets a little stiff. I think it'll be all right. All right, friends, this has been a good time and exercise and doing something that people used to do all the time. I want to thank you for joining me on this journey. Till next time, we'll catch you later. When we go ahead and do, I don't know, something else with that old bird. We'll see. We'll see what happens next. All right, later.